What motivates me for immunisation is thinking about the communities that I move through.
Some of our babies are really vulnerable and so are their parents, and we live where we have high rates of pretty much everything.
You're trying to prevent getting these viruses and diseases or prevent it from being deadly. You might still get the disease, but it might not be so many symptoms.
We're here to provide, whatever information we can in helping them make an informed choice.
Talk to your hauora Māori, community provider or GP practice to make an informed decision about immunisations. Discuss any concerns you have and feel free to make an appointment if immunisation is right for you and your whānau. Hāpaitia Ngā Whānau, let's uplift the wellness of our whānau.